Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a unique and slightly bizarre festival in Taiwan called the Ghost Festival. The Ghost Festival is celebrated during the seventh month of the lunar calendar, which is also known as Goat Month. Taiwanese people believe that during this time, the gate of the underworld are opened and spirits are allowed to visit the human world. To avoid bad luck and show respect, people prepare food offers such as fruit, snack, and rice. They place this offering outside their homes, shops, or temple for wandering spirit. Some families are also burn increased and paper money so that the spirit can use them in the afterlife. One famous celebration takes place in Keelang, where the parades, traditional performance, and ritual ceremonies. During Ghost Month, many people avoid swimming, moving house, or getting married because they believe the ghost may bring misfortune. Although it may also sound scary, this festival is about respect, tradition, and balance between the living and the spirit world. Thank you for listening.